Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. We are out here at Carissa Spencer's house here in Griffin. We are on the front slope here. We'll be removing this damaged shingle right here, guys. As you can see, it's these three tabs. Tab ends right there. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys follow along with me during the repair process. Sit you guys down. No nail there. Two here. Guys, go ahead and put the new shingle in. Looks like these shingles might be a little bigger than why isn't it sliding up? What's it hitting? It's hitting a overlapping felt, guys. Let me just get it up over that line. All right, cool. Guys. Now here's the new shingle in right here. Now as you can see, none of these shingles were affected during the repair, so I can rub my hand across these and you get no granule loss. So these shingles right here had to be manipulated for the repair to happen. As you can see, as I lightly rub my hand across, barely grazing shingles, you can see that the granules started to fall off and actually crease in the corners of the shingles. Pretty much every shingle here, right there, right there, right there. I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys as well. Thank you for your consideration.